Hey, what's up guys? It's Ant here, and today we are going to be making a dotted halftone effect in Photoshop. Only thing we have to do here, let's pull up our cool little layer. Now we'll head on up to our image, go to mode, and let's choose grayscale. Okay, let's hit discard there. Okay, that looks good. Head back up to image, go to mode, and let's head up to bitmap. Choose bitmap, hit OK. Now we want about 72 pixels on the output. Our method is halftone screen. Let's hit OK. Now our frequency, let's try 3 here. And the angle, let's try 0. And we want our shape to be round and hit OK. That looks good. That looks good. So there it is, guys. One of the quickest and easiest ways to make a dotted halftone pattern in Photoshop. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.